last few years, there has been this huge explosion of people not just showing interest but coming to Ghana in droves. And this particular phenomenon is what we call Detty December. But what is Detty December?
So Detty December in Accra is a vibrant celebration that transforms the city into a cultural hotspot every December. This month-long festival attracts both locals and tourists with a plethora of events that showcase Ghana's rich heritage and lively spirit.
What do the diasporans who are coming down think of Detty December?
What's good? What's going on? This is Percy. I'm from New York, founder of Afro Beats and Trap Forever. I'm here at Ghana at Amapiano and Brunch. So y'all got some questions for me? I got y'all. What motivated me to come to Ghana for Detty December? Well, Ghana's a vibe, and I was born here. December, come to it. Hey, Charlie. What aspects of Ghanaian and Nigerian culture do you find most appealing during the holiday season? The food. All the food. The wache, the yoko gari, the tumbe, all of it. I come for the food, the people, the gorgeous women, nyash, hey, Charlie, hey, all of it. Well, yo, I appreciate y'all having me though. Thank you.
My name is Sammy and I am a DJ, and what made me come to Ghana was definitely for the Detty December vibes. I wanted to experience it again. It's not my first time, but you know, and obviously to play some music and experience some new music as well. Yeah, I just wanted to be home. I'm Ghanaian as well, by the way, if you didn't know, but yeah, just to be home and feel the vibe.
Hi, I'm Marlo. I'm a MBA candidate at Yale School of Management and also an entrepreneur. So I love Ghanaian culture. Honestly, as a Sudanese person, it's very similar to what I've grown up with. There's a lot of hospitality. The people are so welcoming. They're focused. They're educated. There's so many things I can list off. I genuinely love this country, and it's just comfortable and really relaxed. So you can vibe all the time, but you can also get a lot done. So yeah, I could continue on and on, but those are a few of the qualities.
From tidal rave to year of return, Ghanaian organizers thrive, drawing global attention and boosting revenues for event planners, ticketing platforms, and logistic firms.
Hello, my name is Dakasi. I am a tech consultant based out of the US, and what motivated me to come to Ghana for Detty December, to be honest, it's because I'm dating a Ghanaian man, so I came here to meet his family first, and also to learn more about the Ghanaian culture and his background and his home, and yeah, that's why I'm here. My overall experience of Detty December here in Ghana has been wonderful. There's so many things to do, and I love the variety of activities. You can go from partying to visiting museums to sightseeing to going, trying different foods. It's been well-rounded and amazing. Yeah. The aspect of the Ghanaian culture I find the most appealing, I would say, is their just hospitality and warmth. I think Ghanaians are just very welcoming as a people. Obviously, me being from Burkina Faso, I know that our cultures are not too different, but I'm just always very, I don't know, just shocked in a good way about just how welcoming Ghanaians are.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very, very good, welcoming, a lot of love, although I did get robbed, but it's fine. We move. Yeah, it's been good, honestly. Come to Ghana, you're gonna feel at home. The feeling's undescribable. Once you come once, you always come back. I literally came back once, and now I come back all the time. I want to live here. Yeah. So yeah. I think it's just how welcoming and hospitable Ghanaians are. But just growing up, I just feel at home. When you walk on the streets, you see people that look like you, that speak like your parents, your aunties, your family. It's just, you just feel at home. There's such a homely vibe. Even people that are not even Ghanaians, when they come, they say they feel like they're at home, So, yeah, it's just feel at home.